We have our mini brand guide and all of our logos downloaded. So now let's work on creating a brand on Canva. And so this will help us whenever we start creating designs. So if you go into your brand kit, you can add a new brand kit. And so this one would be Cupcake Magic. And then from here, we would grab our logos and upload them. All right, and we have our color palette. So opening up our color palette, here is our color codes. So you would put new palette. The first one is F6, F5, F1. Okay, and then you're gonna add brown, which is the A37043. Then we'll add the pink, E6B9AD. And then, of course, good old white. All right, so we have our color palette. Our fonts, I would use the cursive font, the Bellaboo for our title. Subtitle, I would actually do the Montserrat bold. So let's put the bold one. And then for like the heading, I would do Montserrat medium. Medium. Then if you wanted to do a body font, I would go ahead and use Montserrat, maybe like the light. The icon, I guess we could use this one as the icon. So let's grab that. I would do, yeah, this one. And I did take it into Photoshop and took off the colors in the background. That is a video that I have on here, and I'll link it on here to show you how to do that. Okay, so now we have our brand kit. So now we can start creating some designs with our brand kit. I went ahead and created a Canva template for you guys, so I'll have this link in the description for you.